1. Financial accounting is focused on the financial statements of a company.
Correct answer is A.
2. Financial statements report the fair market value of a company.
Correct answer is B.
3. The non-government organization that researches and develops new accounting standards is the.
Correct answer is B.
4. The main components or elements of the income statement are.
Correct answer is C.
5. The U.S. government agency with authority over the financial reporting requirements of publicly traded corporations is the.
Correct answer is C.
6. Large corporations must follow the basis of accounting.
Correct answer is A.
7. Matching, cost, and full disclosure are examples of the fundamental or basic accounting.
Correct answer is A.
8. The profitability of a company for a specified period of time is reported on the.
Correct answer is B.
9. The first section of the statement of cash flows is the activities.
Correct answer is B.
10. The second section of the statement of cash flows is the activities.
Correct answer is C.
11. Which financial statement reports the revenues and expenses for a period of time such as a year or a month?
Correct answer is B.
12. Under the accrual basis of accounting, revenues are reported in the accounting period when which of the following occurs?
Correct answer is B.
13. Under the accrual basis of accounting, expenses are reported in the accounting period when which of the following occurs?
Correct answer is B.
14. The listing of all of the accounts available for use in a company's accounting system is known as the.
Correct answer is A.
A company receives $500 of cash as an additional investment in the company by its owner, Mary Smith. The company's cash account is increased and Mary Smith capital is increased. 15. Should the $500 entry to the cash account be a debit?
Correct answer is A.
16. Should the $500 entry to Mary Smith capital be a debit?
Correct answer is B.